Hello again, welcome back to my channel. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video I'm coming up with my canned beef stew recipe. Guys, this is a special stew from me. I love canned beef stew. Let's get started. Here I have a tin of canned beef, 1 onion sliced, 2 scotch bonnet peppers, half of red long pointed peppers, a piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 medium-sized onions, 1 teaspoon of tomato puree, a pinch of salt to taste, 1 teaspoon vegetable seasoning, 1 teaspoon aromat, 1 shrimp cube, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon aniseed, 1 teaspoon oregano, some cooking oil. I'm using sunflower oil. I also have 2 tins of peeled tomatoes. All right, guys. So to start, I'll pour my 1 tin of tomatoes into my blender, add part of my veggies, and then blend it. I'm not adding everything because my blender is too small to contain the 2 tins of peeled tomatoes. I'll then pour this into a clean bowl and then blend the next tin of peeled tomatoes and the remaining veggies, okay? After blending my veggies, I'll then get my pot or saucepan on the cooker, add my oil, okay, sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'll let this heat up and then add my diced onions to it. I will leave the onions to fry in the oil for about 3 minutes and then add my tomato puree. Give it a good stir and leave this to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll then add my blended veggies. Give this a good stir and leave it to cook for 10 minutes. So that's the first part. I'm adding the second part. After 10 minutes, I will then check on my stew. Okay, yeah, it's really cooking nicely. I'll give it a good stir so it doesn't get burned, and then cover it and leave it to cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll then come back and check on my stew. Look at that, it looks so beautiful. At this point, I'm going to add my spices to it. Okay. Then add my shrimp cube. Give it a good stir. Cover it and leave this to cook on a medium heat for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll come and check on my stew again. Look at that. At this point, I'm adding my canned beef, which is my main ingredient because this is a canned beef stew. Give it a good stir. Cover it, leave it to cook for 3 minutes, and then taste for salt. Right, so with canned beef, whenever you are cooking with canned beef, before you add salt, taste for salt first before adding it. All right, guys. If not, your stew will be salty because canned beef is high in salt. Right, guys, so at this point, I will taste for salt. There isn't much salt in there, so I will add some salt to it, okay? give it a good stir, lower my heat this time. I'll get it on a very low heat, and leave it to simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, my canned beef stew is ready. I am pairing this with some boiled rice, guys. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button right now. While you are at it, tap the bell so you do not miss an upload from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next one. It's bye.